Hey everybody, I'm Melissa May with Painting with May, and I'm going to sing a little song. She'll be coming round the mountain when she comes. She'll be coming round the mountain when she comes. She'll be coming round the mountain, she'll be coming round the mountain, she'll be coming round the mountain when she comes. She'll be driving 6 white horses when she comes. She'll be driving 6 white horses when she comes. She'll be driving 6 white horses. She'll be driving 6 white horses. She'll be driving 6 white horses when she comes. And we'll all go out to meet her when she comes. All go out to meet her when she comes. Yeah, we'll all go out to meet her. We'll all go out to meet her. Yeah, we'll all go out to meet her when she comes. And we'll have chicken and dumplings when she comes. We'll have chicken and dumplings when she comes. We'll have chicken and dumplings. We'll all have chicken and dumplings. We'll all have chicken and dumplings when she comes. Yeehaw! Alright, hey, I'm Melissa May. This is Painting with May. I love music, so I thought I'd start off with a little ditty. She'll be coming around the mountain. So welcome today. We're going to have a great little painting activity. This is what we will be painting. I'm calling it bunny flowers. The supplies you'll need. You will need some acrylic paint, some paintbrushes, canvas or paper or wood, so a cup of water, some brushes, and today's activity, we're going to use Q-tips. And if you have cotton balls, that will work as well. Alright guys, let's get started. So, I have a little handy dandy camera set up today. So let's get started. I'm going to be using a big flat brush. See how it's flat? It's like a rectangle or a triangle. I'm sorry, scratch that. It's like a square or a rectangle. So what we're going to start doing is we're going to do the bunny rabbit first. If you don't want to do the bunny rabbit, you don't need to do the bunny rabbit. But I'm going to mix white and brown. If you don't have brown, you can mix it with black to make gray. I'm just mixing it so that I can see it. I would have done like a white bunny rabbit, but because the canvas is white, I'm going to mix it with a little bit of brown. There it is. So what I'm going to do, instead of drawing a circle, I'm going to start off with putting a dab, and I'm just going to swirl around my brush until it looks somewhat like a circle. Now this is the bottom of the bunny rabbit, so this is going to be the biggest circle. Right on top of that, I'm going to do, so this is his body. Right on top of that, I'm going to do another circle. This is his head. It's kind of swirled around, swirl it, and that's how you make somewhat of a circle. I'm actually going to make his body go all the way down to the bottom. Voila. And then for his ears, I'm just going to get some more of that paint and just do 2 lines. Blop, blop. And there is the back of our bunny. Cute. Next, we're going to be moving on to the grass, and we're going to do green. Green, like so. So wherever your grass wants to start, I'm just going to go right in the middle. I'm just going to go back and forth, back and forth. If you want it to be like a limier colored grass, you can mix it with yellow. And if you want it lighter, you can mix white in there too. Back and forth, back and forth. Another fun, if you want to do like a mixed media thing, you could just do the grass and with the flowers and then the sky, and do like a cutout of the bunny, like with a piece of paper, and then just glue it on top. That would also be fun. Voila! Next, moving on, we're going to do the sky. And I'm going to be using blue and white. I'm just going to dip it in both and then just start going back and forth in the sky. If you want your sky lighter, you can add a lot more white. Voila! She's looking beautiful. It's like a beautiful day for the bunny. Awesome! Alright, so now I'm going to take a beat just to let this stuff dry. If you're still painting, feel free to continue painting. I'm going to play another song just while we let that dry a little bit, and then we'll be moving on to the flowers. The next song I'm going to play is He's Got the Whole World in His Hands. Feel free to sing along. If you're still painting, continue to paint. My pick. Oh, okay. He's got the whole world in his hands. 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 He's got you and me, sisters, in his hands. He's got you and me, brothers, in his hands. He's got the sisters and the brothers in his hands. He's got the whole world in his hands. He's got the itty bitty babies in his hands. He's got the itty bitty babies in his hands. He's got the itty bitty babies in his hands. He's got the whole world in his hands. He's got the mamas and the papas in his hands. He's got the mamas and the papas in his hands. He's got the mamas and the papas in his hands. He's got the whole world in his hands. He's got the gramps and the mammies in his hands. He's got the gramps and the mammies in his hands. He's got the gramps and the mammies in his hands. He's got the whole world in his hands. He's got the birds and the bees in his hands. He's got the birds and the bees in his hands. He's got the birds and the bees in his hands. He's got the whole world in his hands. Ow! Alright guys, that was fun. Alright, back to the painting action. Back to this little bunny guy. Alright, so next we're going to be using these Q-tips to do the flowers. You can either use a whole group of Q-tips, or you could use one at a time. I'm going to use a group of, and I'm going to start off at the bottom of the grass, pick a color. I'm going to use red. You just dip, dab, dab, get some red, and just start, it's really loud, start dabbing at the bottom. Just go all the way across. I guess you could do like just a bunch of wildflowers, like if you wanted to do all the different colors. But I'm gonna do it this way. Beautiful. All right, so I just used one side. I'm gonna flip it. I'm gonna flip them to conserve, to reuse my Q-tips. The next color, I mean, you don't have to do these colors. You could do whatever colors you want. I'm gonna pick yellow. Start going across. By the way, my green is still wet, but it doesn't seem to be a problem. It's crazy that Easter is about to come up on Sunday. So red and yellow make orange, which is fine. See, I've got a little bit of orange right there. That's kind of cool. I'm gonna go with it. Sometimes, if you weren't planning on it, something happening, sometimes it turns out cool. You just kind of go with it. Alright, so I'm done with these. On to the next toothpicks. That was my cat. Next color, let's see, I'm going to do purple. Dab, 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 dab. If you don't have purple and you have red and blue and white, you can mix all those together and it will make this beautiful purple. So now I'm going to do another. These back, well, these top lines I'm going to do thinner. And it gives the illusion that these flowers are really far away. It might be hard to hold the, having a hard time holding my Q-tips. And I'm going to flip. Let's see, what color? I'm going to do this blue. Ooh. And one more, of which you could just do, I'm just doing as many rows as I can fit. I'm going to do one more row and I'm going to do orange. I'm just going to use one this time because this row is the skinniest. So I'm just going to do a line. Perfect. Next, once you're done with the flowers, you're going to move up to the sky, of which you could just leave it how it is, but I'm going to add some clouds. So I'm gathering a bunch of the Q-tips. If you have cotton balls, you can use those as well. I'm going to get some white and just pick where you want. Clouds. Actually, I don't really like the way the dots are showing, so I'm just going to kind of swirl them. Swirl, swirl. Cute. Let's see, let's do another one here. Another happy cloud. Another one here. By the way, my blue is still wet. Some are big, some are little. Oops. And then one more step is the bunny tail. I'm going to get a big old blob of the white, swirl it around. Perfect. All right, guys. That's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this lesson. Have fun creating bunny flowers, and I will see you guys next week on Paint with May, Tuesdays at noon. Be sure to follow Crafty Muses on Instagram or Facebook, and I'll be posting updates on what I'll be teaching next week and if there's any extra supplies that are needed. Alright, bye guys. You have a great Tuesday and enjoy painting and your time. Adios.